Dear student, today we will learn alphabet A to Z. Listen carefully and repeat after me. A for apple, A-P-P-L-E, apple. B for banana, B-A-N-A-N-A, banana. C for cat, C-A-T, cat. D for dog, D-O-G, dog. E for elephant, E-L-E-P-H-A-N-T, elephant. F for flower, F-L-O-W-E-R, flower. G for giraffe, G-I-R-A-F-F-E, giraffe. H for hat, H-A-T, hat. I for ice cream, I-C-E-C-R-E-A-M, ice cream. J for jackfruit, J-A-C-K-F-R-U-I-T, jackfruit. K for kite, K-I-T-E, kite. L for lamp, L-A-M-P, lamp. M for mango, M-A-N-G-O, mango. N for nurse, N-U-R-S-E, nurse. O for orange, O-R-A-N-G-E, orange. P for postman, P-O-S-T-M-A-N, postman. Q for queen, Q-U-E-E-N, queen. R for rain, R-A-I-N, rain. S for snake, S-N-A-K-E, snake. T for turtle, T-U-R-T-L-E, turtle. U for umbrella, U-M-B-R-E-L-L-A, umbrella. V for vegetables, V-E-G-E-T-A-B-L-E-S, vegetables. W for watch, W-A-T-C-H, watch. X for xylophone, X-Y-L-O-P-H-O-N-E, xylophone. Y for yacht, Y-A-C-H-T, yacht. Z for zoo, Z-O-O, zoo. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.